Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be getting started on RF. If you are planning to set up your own lab related to RF communication and anything that you want to do related to RF, I believe, these are the three important devices everyone should have. Um, I already have a VNA and a spectrum analyzer and things like that, but these devices will give you portability. So I've been working for a while in the field of software-defined radio and RF, and I think this is what I conclude, that every single person who wants to invest their time in RF, they should have these three devices. First of all, we're going to start off with HackRF. So I recently got all of these three devices for myself. So this one on your left hand side that you're seeing, this is Mayhem PortaPack with the H4M PortaPack. But it is like probably the latest one that is out there. So I recently got all of these three devices. Before, if you watch my videos, earlier videos, I was working with actually a tabletop VNA, a tabletop spectrum analyzer. And you might have seen probably a lot of videos where I have used an actual HackRF1 device that I got like back 14, 15 years ago or something like that. So this thing still works. I also have USRPs, but if you just want to get started on it, and if you have some money and you want to buy some of these components, I believe these are the most important things that you should start yourself with. Along with this, you can also start off with RTL-SDR dongle. So RF is related to radio frequencies, so you can always start with simple RTL-SDR dongle. So this was the first dongle that I bought along with my HackRF. These are the two things that I bought like back 14 years ago or something like that. So this thing is around like $20. And if you want to buy this, so you can buy this as well. So this is like Mayhem PortaPack. The other two devices so I've been working with these HackRF and software-defined radios for a while, but these are the two new devices that I've added in my collection. The first thing is actually TinySA spectrum analyzer. This is an amazing device. Everyone who's getting themselves started with RF and software-defined radios and things like that must have this. This is like very cheap. You can buy from like AliExpress and things like that. Chinese website. This is by Zeenko. They have a web page and everything. So this goes from 100 kilohertz all the way up to 7.3 gigahertz. So this is a spectrum analyzer where you can see your signals and things like that. You can test your devices. You can see the signals and things like that. It comes with an RF port, so you can like connect your antennas, and you can also connect your SMA cables if you are testing devices and things like that. Something like this. The other device that I think everyone should have is also a VNA device. Now these things, if you guys remember it, if you ever worked in the field of RF, these things cost like a lot of money. You will pay like several $1,000s for these devices. Now they have that in a compact form. So this is VNA vector network analyzer that allows me to actually see S11, S12s, and things like that for any device under test. For example, your antennas, your amplifiers, anything that dealing with RF. This goes from about the same range, 100 kilohertz all the way up to 6.3 gigahertz. That's the range for it. It's a two-port device. As you guys can see, it has two ports. Spectrum analyzer is generally a single port device. At this port, you can connect your antennas and other stuff. And these devices, these are just like everything. I mean, these are so good. I mean, you can test your devices. Once you have designed some device, for example, an antenna or things like that, you can always check them. You can always check your amplifiers. You can check their S11, S12s. A lot of different options. These things used to cost several $1,000s, and now you can have them like for really like for like a couple $100 or probably $100. You can have these devices with you. So I got all of these two devices from China, and then I also got this one as well. So I'll be making a lot of videos on nano VNA. I'll be making a lot of videos. I am making a lot of videos on HackRF PortaPack. Then you might see some videos on VNAs and spectrum analyzer. So these are just like must devices that if you want to get started on RF and everything, these are the things. But the first step is you want to buy yourself an RTL-SDR dongle. This is the dongle that you want to buy that operates from 50 megahertz all the way up to 1.8 gigahertz. So you can get started on this as well. So this is where I started from. And now after 16, 17 years ago, and now I have my portable lab that I carry every day with me. These are some of the components that I'll have you find in my bag. So this is basically my everyday carry when it comes to RF. So I hope you find this video to be helpful. I just wanted to share with you guys that how you can get started on RF. Thanks for watching.